How to create slow motion video in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, drag your video clip to the timeline. Make sure the clip is selected before moving forward. Then, right click on the clip and choose Change Clip Speed from the menu that appears. In the Change Clip Speed window, you will see a speed percentage option. To create a slow motion effect, lower the speed percentage. For example, if you set it to 50%, your video will play at half the original speed, creating a smooth slow motion effect. Next, enable the optical flow option in the Retime Process drop-down menu. Optical flow helps DaVinci Resolve generate new frames for a smoother slow motion video instead of just repeating frames. After setting these options, you will notice your clip on the timeline is now slower. If you want to change the speed, simply press Ctrl+R by selecting the clip and choosing the arrow next to your speed percentage. Then select Change the Speed and pick your desired speed. You can also add speed points to slow down different parts of the clip multiple times for more control. And that's it. Now you know how to create slow motion video in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.